Hey guys, so today I have multiple jobs, multiple stops, multiple projects, but I wanted to stop and take a moment and just video this process that I'm about to do. I'm going to remove and replace a garbage disposal, and I'm also going to be hanging a television. So let's do it. Kind of about TVs. The last two TVs I hung, the last one, very last one, the guy didn't want to pay me for it. Bad situation. The next two last one, the TV was on these stands like this. The customer didn't have them installed correctly, so when I went to go touch the TV, it fell over. It was on the ground too. It was cracked it, busted it, had to pay for it. Not this one, baby, not this one. I'm gonna put it in nice. So a couple tips and tricks for you. First thing, as a customer, don't buy cheap hardware. Like the kind of hardware you get, it matters a lot. The next thing, lay your TV flat on the ground like this. Soft, nice. It's not gonna scratch. It's not gonna scratch. Take the feet off. Put the screws in a Ziploc. Save it for later. With the TV flat, we're gonna find out where the holes are to mount our hardware. This is our hardware. Screws for all different kinds of sizes of TVs. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's our spot. We can actually use the screws that it came with. Pretty cool. Be careful using a drill for screwing in these screws on the back of the TV. I'm a specialist. That's why I'm using it. I recommend just using a screwdriver and tighten it by hand. Next up, we're going to find the location of the TV where we're going to find it on the wall at. Probably center, a little lower. I would ask the customer, but there's a language barrier. Literally, she's Asian. So I'm going to go with my professional opinion. So you do want to locate a stud. That's the optimal thing. Last thing before I go poking holes in the wall, verify that you have a stud and that it is a stud. Don't go smashing things in the wall. Be very careful, very delicate. As you can see, there's a fireplace here, and I don't think there's going to be gas lines, but always be cautious. And now to hang the TV. You know, I said earlier, when you take these feet off, take the screws and put them in a Ziploc bag. Don't listen to that, I was wrong. Put them right back into the TV, and then all you have to keep up with is the feet. Oh boy. And you know, as careful as you may be, things happen, man. I had my drill sitting on top of the mantle, and you know what happened? It fell off, and I ruptured the table. The table, I think, is a cheaper table. If it wasn't, then it probably wouldn't have broken as much as it has, but can't hide this. I have to fess up. I have to call the customer and pay for them a new table. Well, there you go, guys. That's how you install a TV. I feel a little bad for calling the table cheap. I think it's because I'm upset that I broke it and that I have to pay for it now. But it's part of it. I have to take responsibility for my actions, and it was my drill that fell. Whether it was by accident or not, it happened, so I have to pay for it. So, but this is it. This is the end of my video. I appreciate you stopping and watching. If you have any questions of what it is that I do, or if you have a question of a tip or a trick or anything that I could provide any kind of value to you, I want to know what I could do to help you. Or if you just are here just because I'm entertaining and you enjoy the time lapses with the music, hey, that's value too. So appreciate you stopping by. I'll see you next time. Silverman out.